All right, we're asked to determine empirical formula, so we're going to follow the protocol that we want to determine grams of each element, and then moles of each element, and then we get to the mole ratio. All right, so grams of each, in this case, is going to be based off percent, and this is a mass percent bromine, so we know the remaining amount of the compound is fluorine. So if it's 58.37% by mass bromine, 100 minus 58.37 is going to give us our mass percent of fluorine, which is 41.63%. So we assume we have 100 grams. And that means that's going to convert our percent to grams. So we have 58.37 grams of bromine. We can get to grams by dividing by the formula weight, 79.90 grams of bromine in a mole. We get that from the periodic table. So we have 0.73 moles of bromine. Now we go to fluorine. We have 41.63 grams of fluorine. Divide by its atomic weight. And we have 2.19 moles of fluorine. Okay, looks like a 1-to-3 ratio, but let's say it's not obvious. So we're going to divide by the least number of moles to try and make our ratio more obvious. So let's divide by 0.73. So 1.0 to 3.0. So we can tell that our formula is Br1, fluorine 3, or we recognize we don't have to write that subscript 1. We can just call it BrF3.